Imagine an air conditioner battling a cosmic vortex. As it hums and cools the air, the vortex swirls with powerful gravitational forces. Suddenly, the air conditioner struggles to keep the ambient temperature down as the vortex pulls everything towards its center. The compressor works overtime, fighting against space-time distortions that threaten to disrupt its functionality. This high-tech appliance tries to make the environment comfortable. But can technology withstand the raw power of cosmic phenomena? Stay tuned to find out if the air conditioner can conquer the chaos of a cosmic vortex.